Hello friends, this is Bhavtosh here. Welcome to my channel Perfect Analyst. So today there is one good news and one bad news. The good news is we have a new achievement like 3000 views and 101 subscriber, and there is one bad news is like I got one active community guideline strikes warning. Maybe I might have used some link, external link which is going to spam. So that is the reason YouTube has given one warning. So that is about the channel violations. But yes, I of course I have a time to rectify it. So within 90 days, up to 90 days, this warning will be there, and within 90 days, I should not repeat the same, and I have to go for a training program for community guidelines training. So until then, this warning will be there. I would like to thank you all of you who are the subscriber, and because of you I have now around 101 subscriber. So thank you so much for watching my video. So today we are starting a new topic, and this topic is very important for the interview perspective. So these questions may arises in many interview. This is a very common questions. What is the difference between reference and duplicate in Power BI? So we are going to cover the answer of these questions, and I will try to give you the answer with an example. So I'll just share my screen. So I hope you are able to see my screen. So I have already loaded the data, and all this data, all the columns, headings you can see in the right hand. And there are, as you know, that there are three view in Power BI: report view, we have table view, and model view. So the main topic here is to understand about the difference between reference and duplicates. For that, you have to go to the Power Query editor. So I will just click here, right click here and edit query. Now the Power Query editor window will open. Here we are trying to understand about the difference. So what is duplicate? There is an option here, duplicate. So if you'll see here, this is your main, and from here, so all the steps that you have done here, every steps also same. So you can see all the steps. So the moment you make a duplicate records, it is a completely different tables. There is no link between the main table and the table where you have created duplicate. So there is no association. It completely dissociates. That is about duplicate records, and all the steps also it is copied here. Can you see all these steps? Whatever the steps you have in sales data, every steps is also copied here. Now suppose I am going to change anything here, will it affect the duplicate or duplicate tables? No, there won't be any effect because it is completely dissociates. There is no link between these two. Now when it comes to the reference, so I'm just creating a reference here. What will happen is, if you can see the difference here, all these steps is not appearing in this reference table. You can only see the source. That means it is always linked to the main table sales data. So whatever the changes you will do in this sales data, the same thing will be reflected in this reference table. I hope you are able to understand between the reference and duplicates, right? So if any interview will ask you these questions, what is the difference between reference and duplicates? The answer will be very simple. When you are duplicating any records, you are completely dissociates. There is no link between the main tables and the table that you have created a new table. There is no link. If there is any changes in the main data, there won't be any reflection in the table that you have created. Whereas in the case of reference, it is completely different, the opposite. Like if there are any changes, if you are removing any duplicate, any columns or anything that you are doing in this main table, it also reflect here. That is about the reference. Okay, I hope you are clear on this. If you have any queries regarding this reference and duplicates, you can write in the comments and I will be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching this video.